Yesterday, you and me and the other people at a party. But who can know it was the last time we got drunk and sang together, chasing girls we should have lived forever. You didn't even get home. Find the reason why you had to leave so soon. Guess that's how it had to be, raising hell and living free. Can't you come back to us, please? Whoa. Bye bye Johnny, bye bye. It's not your fault that you died, but I can't help it. I've got to ask the reason you, good old Johnny, did die. No wonder so many of your friends cried. No, there's no meaning in why you should say bye-bye. You were stabbed in the back, in her arms down a back street alley. You played for passion with your life.